learn about the sky, universe guide. Andromeda Constellation. Andromeda is a constellation that you can see in the northern hemisphere night sky. The light from the sun prevents the stars from appearing during the day, so you will need specialized equipment to study them. Caveat: depending on your location and or time, Andromeda is one of 29 constellations in the northern hemisphere. The Andromeda constellation was created by the ancient astronomer Claudius Ptolemy, who lived in 2nd century Alexandria. Egypt. Andromeda is a Latin word. The English meaning translation is Ethiopian princess. Andromeda pronunciation is Andromeda. The genitive form is Andromedae, which means any object with Andromedae at the end of its name infers a relationship to the constellation. Typically, the thing is within the constellation's boundaries of or was once until the borders was redrawn. Andromeda can be shortened or abbreviated to N. Andromeda constellation take up 722,278 square degrees of the night sky, equating to 1.75% of the night sky. Andromeda is the 19th largest constellation in the night sky. Andromeda is not a member of the zodiac group of 12 constellations that appear when the sun sets. The zodiac constellations are the ones astrologers use to predict a person's future based on their birth date. Andromeda's brightest star is Mirac, about 197.44 light years from the sun. The star is designated a Beta Andromedae rather the Alpha designation. Alpha stars tend to be the brightest in the constellation. Mirac has an apparent magnitude of 2.07 but an absolute magnitude of 1.84. The difference between the magnitudes is that absolute magnitude is the object for 10 parsecs of 32.6 light years away from the observer. Various appearance from Earth. Grombrich 34 is Andromeda's nearest star, about 11.7 light years from the Earth. The nearest star in Andromeda to the Earth with exoplanet is Titawin, about 44 light years. Andromeda has 8 stars that make up the constellation shape. The Hipparcos satellite scan and detailed 2,112 stars. There are 172 stars. Naked eye stars have an apparent magnitude of 6.45 or lower, and higher magnitude stars can only be seen with a telescope of binoculars. 24 extra slow planets in the Andromeda constellation are detailed on this site. There is a dedicated page for exoplanets in Andromeda. Charles Messier cataloged 3 deep space objects as with the Andromeda's boundary. The following constellations border Andromeda constellation is Cassiopeia, Lacerda, Pegasus, Pisces, Triangulum, and Perseus.